Section 1. The power of knowing, measuring electricity. Electricity is a fundamental force of nature, y'all. We use it every day. And understanding how to measure electricity safely is mighty important. It's like knowing the rules of the road before driving a car. Accurate measurements are key to using electricity safely and effectively. Now, there are three main tools we use to measure electricity: the voltmeter, the ammeter, and the ohmmeter. Each tool has a specific purpose and helps us understand different aspects of electrical circuits. The voltmeter measures electrical potential difference, or voltage. The ammeter measures electrical current, and the ohmmeter measures resistance. These tools are essential for anyone working with electrical circuits, from electricians to hobbyists. Just like a chef needs measuring cups and spoons, anyone working with electricity needs these tools to ensure safety and success. Accurate measurements are essential for diagnosing electrical problems, designing circuits, and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. Section 2. Voltmeter, unveiling electrical potential. The voltmeter is the tool we use to measure voltage, also known as electrical potential difference. Voltage is the push that drives electrical current through a circuit. Think of it like the pressure in a water pipe. To use a voltmeter, you connect it in parallel with the circuit component you want to measure. This means connecting the positive, red, lead of the voltmeter to the positive side of the component. The negative, black, lead connects to the negative side. Modern digital voltmeters are easy to use. They display the voltage reading directly on a screen. No calculations are needed. Voltage is measured in volts, V. A higher voltage reading indicates a stronger electrical potential difference. Voltmeters are used in countless applications. Electricians use them to test batteries, diagnose faulty wiring, and ensure the proper operation of electrical appliances. Automotive technicians use voltmeters to test car batteries and charging systems. The voltmeter is an essential tool for anyone working with electricity. Section 3. Ammeter, riding the current wave. The ammeter measures electrical current. Current is the flow of electrical charge through a circuit. It's like measuring the amount of water flowing through a pipe. To use an ammeter, you must connect it in series with the circuit component you want to measure. This means the current must flow through the ammeter. Never connect an ammeter in parallel, as this can damage the meter and be dangerous. Like voltmeters, modern ammeters are digital and easy to use. They display the current reading directly on a screen. Current is measured in amperes, or amps. A higher current reading indicates a greater flow of electrical charge. Ammeters are essential for tasks like determining the amount of current drawn by an appliance, diagnosing overloaded circuits, and ensuring the safe operation of electrical motors. Section 4. Ohmmeter, resistance is not futile. Now, the ohmmeter measures electrical resistance, which is the opposition to the flow of electrical current. Think of it like the friction inside a water pipe. To use an ohmmeter, you must first disconnect the circuit component from the circuit. This is important because the ohmmeter applies a small voltage to the component to measure its resistance. You don't want to introduce this voltage into a live circuit, no sir. Connect the positive, that's the red lead, of the ohmmeter to one side of the component. Then connect the negative, the black lead, to the other side. The ohmmeter will then display the resistance reading in ohms, symbol omega. Remember, a higher resistance reading indicates greater opposition to current flow. Ohmmeters are used to test the continuity of wires, diagnose faulty components such as resistors and fuses, and measure the resistance of various materials. Section 5. The future of measurement, accuracy, and safety. First, accurate electrical measurements are crucial for the safe and efficient operation of electrical systems. Using the right tool for the job is essential, as is understanding the proper techniques for taking measurements. Modern digital multimeters often combine the functions of a voltmeter, ammeter, and ohmmeter in a single device. These versatile tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Some even offer features like data logging and wireless connectivity. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more accurate, reliable, and easy-to-use electrical measuring devices. However, it's important to remember that no tool can replace a solid understanding of basic electrical principles and safe working practices. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. And if you're ever unsure about any aspect of electrical work, don't hesitate to consult with a qualified electrician.